Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing a semantic search input inside a form so the browser and assistive tech understand intent. Once added, give it a name and a helpful placeholder so users see purpose immediately. Make sure the form method is set to get for simple queries and action points to your server endpoint. Otherwise, leave action blank and plan to handle input with JavaScript events for client-side search. Now enhance behavior and accessibility. Add autocomplete and autofocus for convenience, required to prevent empty submissions, and max length to limit input. Also include an area label or a visible label so screen readers announce the field correctly. Then wire events, listen for input or key up to filter results live, and handle form submit to prevent default when using Ajax. This gives both. Finish by styling the search box for clear focus and readable size across devices. Once done, test keyboard-only navigation and mobile keyboards so input behaves predictably. Make sure results update and the form submits when expected. If something fails, inspect the name and action attributes, open the browser console for JS errors, and verify you aren't unintentionally preventing default form submission. Fix those issues and retest to confirm everything works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.